So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Subex Share. So in previous videos, when you have done the complete technical analysis, we have discussed all the major support regions from where possibly the stock can give a reversal. So today, from the same levels, the stock has given some very good movement, and you can see it has approached the 55 rupees level with almost 6% positive movement. So that is the essence of technicals. So when you follow the technicals, you will also have the clarity when to buy, when to average, and when to exit. So today also the same thing, we'll try to recap all the levels, and there is some important concept related to technicals as well, so which you can implement even to other stocks as well. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for swing. So I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so first, if we try to observe the day-to-day wise deliveries in Subex, so we can see on 17th November, we have seen 44.3% deliveries, and the stock has given around 0.2% downward movement. So we know market is little volatile nowadays, so little bit of profit booking is observed in entire stock market. So obviously all the stocks are expected to give some correction, but don't do any sort of panic selling. So clearly I'm telling that whatever the correction is there is just temporary. So there is no major reason for that. Only reason is the markets have given some very good movement in recent times. So that's the reason why little bit of correction is happening. So instead of selling, so try to search for best stocks that you can buy for long term. So this stock, despite market correction, so still it's showing the positive uptrend. So whatever the 50 rupees level we have discussed, take it as a very strong support, because unless and until it breaks that particular level, we can't expect any sort of downtrend in Subex. So keep that in mind. So now let's go to technical charts. So both daily chart and weekly chart, we'll try to do the complete analysis. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical chart. So first important thing is weekly chart. So once we see the weekly chart, clearly we can see an important region that we used to discuss on a regular basis. So what is that region? So here we have one support and we have one resistance. So what is the first support? Support is exactly the 50 rupees, and what is the resistance? It is around 57.50. So the stock almost, it is trying to reach that particular resistance. So if it breaks that resistance, obviously some buying volume will be generated, and again that resistance will become the support for Subex. So simple logic. So try to follow the technicals, and as I told, 50 is very strong support. You need to keep that in radar. So sometimes operator will try to make you panic by selling it but bringing it little bit down, but closing is very important. So remember that closing, so where the stock is closing all matters. So don't think it's coming below 50, I'll start selling. So if it is closing below 50, then only you need to sell your shares, or if you are willing to average, so you need to take the stock only when it is trading above 50 rupees level. So this is the basic concept involved. Not only in Subex, any stock you need to follow this particular criteria. Okay, so candle wise, we can see from lows we have seen a good buying volume because of the market volatility, and followed by stock volatility. And next, if we go and see money flow index, so that is around 55. So earlier it was around 20-30. So because of the continuous momentum the stock has generated, so the MFI also reached 55 region. Okay, so next, coming to the most important thing, daily chart. So in daily chart, already I've discussed two moving averages. So one was 50-day exponential moving average, and another one was 200-day EMA. So here you can see the green one is 50, red one is 200, and you can see green one is taken as a very strong support, which was 51.29. So clearly we have two levels. One is 51, second one is 50. So when you have that much clarity, obviously it's on buying side, and I think who have taken position in it have made some very good profit. So keep these two levels in radar, and first resistance is 55, that is clearly visible, and then we have 57. So once those levels get breached in the upside direction, you can search for 60 plus levels. So that is what we need to watch out in the coming sessions, and any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is stocks derivati. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.